How to open or create ChatGPT account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create or open ChatGPT account without phone number. So make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to begin with, first thing first, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. After you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is auth.openai./u. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. If you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So to create a ChatGPT account, you'll need to create OpenAI account first of all. So for that, click on the sign up button located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now you'll begin with the creation of your account. So to begin with, select the method of creating your account. You can either provide in your email address, continue with your Google account, continue with your Microsoft account, as well as your iCloud account. So type in whichever method that is convenient for you. Once you're done entering your information, click on the continue button. Now you need to verify your email. For that, a verification code or a link has been sent to an email. So open up your email. As you can see that I've received a verification email. In order to verify, click on verify email address. After the email has been verified, click on the login button located right in between. Once again, you need to log in into your account. For that, provide in your email address. Entering your information, click on the continue button. And then you'll need to provide in some additional information that includes entering your first and the last name, organizational name, and then the birth date in order to verify your age. Once done entering your information, click on the continue button. In order to verify your account, you need to provide in your phone number. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to create an account without your phone number. For that, you need to provide in your phone number, and once you've done providing your phone number, a verification code will be sent to your phone number. So type in your phone number. After done entering your phone number, click on the send code button located right at the bottom, and the verification code will be sent through an SMS. You need to enter in your verification code. After that, you'll be notified through an SMS or an email that the account has been successfully created, and in this way you can create your OpenAI account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.